Hi, Lindsay here. Like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Hit that bell up top for those notifications.
Hope everyone's afternoon's going good. I am going to bake my kids some chocolate chip cookies today. Stuff I already have in here in the pantry. We're still on quarantine, still on lockdown here in Arizona. So we're going to do the chocolate chip cookies. I have my flour, regular sugar, brown sugar, salt, vanilla extract, baking soda, 2 eggs, 2 sticks of butter that have been softened, and my morsel oven at 375 degrees. What I want to note is I was finally able to get all-purpose flour. So this isn't whole wheat flour I'm using today. It's regular all-purpose flour. In a small bowl, we're going to combine the flour, the baking soda, and the salt. We're going to combine 2 1/4 cups of flour. We're going to do a teaspoon of salt and a teaspoon of baking soda and put that into the small bowl. Set this bowl of dry ingredients to the side, and now we're going to start with our butter sticks that are softened. We're going to put them into our stand cup of butter. So this will be 2 sticks softened. See, 1/2 cup is this, so we'll need 2. So we've added in our 3/4 cup brown sugar. We're going to add in 3/4 cup granulated sugar and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Our teaspoon of vanilla. And now we're going to turn our KitchenAid on and beat this until it's creamy. There's the creamy consistency after you've beat the butter, the brown sugar, the granulated sugar, and the vanilla. Now you're going to add in 1 egg at a time. I've added in my first egg is added in. I'm going to lock my KitchenAid in place and stir that in, then add in the second egg. Add in your second egg. Flour mixture you put aside and slowly add it into your KitchenAid and stir it in on slow speed. Dump it in nice and slowly. Let it combine. This is what your dough will look like. And then you're going to take whatever chocolate chips you've chosen and add them in and stir it. Okay, here's your finished dough. Then you're going to put this in the oven at 375 and cook until they're nice golden brown. There's your cookie dough. Oven's already preheated to 375. Go ahead and drop this onto an ungreased cookie sheet. I have my KitchenAid tool that I absolutely love to use for cookies. You just grab your dough with it and drop it. Okay, so here's my little KitchenAid tool. I've got my cookie dough in there, and you just squeeze it and drop it on. I used to do my cookies the old school way with 2 spoons, scraping the batter off the spoon, and I invested in this and I will never go back. Game changer. But if you don't have it, do it old school. I don't want you guys to go out right now and try to buy this little cookie gadget. Everything about this whole quarantine thing is about making compromises and sacrifices. So if you don't have it, you don't have it. Make it with the kids. Look how soft.